Alright, so in this video we're actually going to start getting data from the user. So here we're in the markup of our stock input component, and then this is where we have got the class. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do some binding of data, and there's a couple ways to do this, but we're going to actually do it the template driven way. So to do that, we're going to use these square brackets and then parentheses, and we're going to say ng model. Then we're going to say this is actually going to be stock symbol. So basically this allows us, this little funky markup here allows us to grab this variable back in our class. So in our class we're going to define a class level property of stock symbol, and because we're using TypeScript we're going to actually do this semicolon, no, colon, I always get this confused. That's going to be string, and then now we've got that set up. Now we want to actually have it where when you click this button, to start, we're actually just going to alert the text in here to the screen. So that's a baby steps. So for lookup, we're going to do a click event handler, and to do that, it's basically parentheses, and we're going to click, and then we're going to give it the method that we want to have handle that. So we're actually going to call this lookup stock, and now in our class level component we want to create this method that says lookup stock, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to say alert, and we're going to say this dot stock symbol. So this should be when we type in like GOG for Google, should look up stock, let's see, click, that should have worked. There we go. Okay, basically, so GOG, there, basically we have this now. So now what we want to do is we have basically, we're handling the data here, and let's put some comments and say like what we got to do next. I find this helps like in programming because sometimes it gets complicated, and just stepping it out helps a lot. So the first step we're going to do is we're actually going to fire off Ajax call, and we've got we're going to use like Yahoo Stocks API, which allows you to create this string and send data. So this is actually it for this video. In the next video we're going to create a service that actually we're going to use in this class to create the Ajax call and get some data.